Hello everyone. Welcome to Reyee 3 Minutes How To series. In this video we'll introduce how to install Reyee new outdoor RAP6260G. Here's the package details, the access point, user manual, waterproof connector, 4 expansion screws, 4 screws for fix using, 2 iron hoops, 1 pedestal, and QC card. Now let me show you how to install it to pole. First step, clamp bracket on pole using 2 iron hoops. How to use it, let's see. Okay, second step. Install the mounting bracket using a buckle structure. Third step, how to adjust and fix the angle of AP. Let's see. Fourth step, install the cable with waterproof connect. Let's see details. Please use the waterproof tape additional to avoid any gaps on the edge of cable. Installation finished. Have you got it? Find more 3 Minutes How To series video. Please follow us on Facebook page. Thanks for watching. See you next time.